I'm going to cook plain rice. This is 2 cups of rice. One I just put it there, and second one right here. There is another trick actually that will be easy to cook. I'm going to add 3 cups of water. If sometimes people don't have exact measurement, then there is another trick to use that. Which is I'm going to turn on flame, then I'm going to put it separate here, and this little bit oil here, and if that rice must be bottom, if they can use middle finger till here, water must be till here, that should not be more than, but the bottom must be straight. So that will be exact measurement, the middle finger and this line here. So once it's fully cooked, then just leave it 20 minutes on steam. The rice will be, then check it out, but must be covered.